Good morning, room 11. It is Tuesday, March 24th, and I'm going to quickly go over the daily tasks for you today. If you remember, it is sports day, so I'm wearing Travis's Arsenal jersey. That's a soccer team in England. It has his name on the back. It's the best that I could do. All of mine are all packed away. I know it's a little backwards, but that's okay. Anyway, so I'm going to go over day 2 of week 1. So hopefully yesterday you got some work done. And if you didn't, obviously you can catch up and just do it as you see fit. We are encouraging you to do this just because we want to keep your brains moving and keep you reviewing. So now that is said, I'm going to go over Tuesday. I'm going to try and figure out a way to do this well because the iPad doesn't allow me to like switch it, I guess, during recording. So we're going to see how we can make this work. So let's see. Here we go. Oh, nope, it's backwards. That's not going to work. All right, so today is Tuesday. I did not do all of the tasks with you, but I did do this part, and I did do the multiplication as comparison. So Tuesdays is informational writing, so you're choosing an option to write about under the R, which is on that first writing page. So just write a little quick write. No need to write a 5-paragraph essay like I said yesterday. And then moving down to reading, do you get enough sleep? So that same passage that you read yesterday, we would like you to answer the questions that are on page 4 and 5. Then next on math, do page 13, that's multiplication in word problems, and I will do one with you on video. Then 20 minutes of physical activity, be that a workout inside or something outside if possible. And then 20 minutes of iReady reading. Hopefully you all are able to access that. Additionally, 4th grade put together a website, and we'll be updating that with some other links and information for you, but I will link that to your parents later. That being said, let's go on to that page 13, multiplication and word problems. Just nice. Here it is. So we've seen these before because we've used them in the past. So again, this should be review for you. So number 1 says, the library has 5 mystery books on a shelf. It has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf. How many fiction books are on the shelf? So we would know with the numbers that we have 5 and then 4 times as many on another shelf. How many fiction books are on the shelf? So because we're starting with 5 mystery books, we know that the other shelf has 4 times as many fiction books on a different shelf. So we know that this is going to be 5 times 4, and that there, if you want to count by 5s, you can do that. That would be 20 fiction books. You can also do, some people like to use those circles where they're saying, oh, we have 4 times as many, so that would be 5 times 4. You can draw a picture, you can count by 5s, you can do whatever strategy helps you figure that out. Let's look at number 2. Paul runs 2 laps around the gym. Carrie runs 6 times as many laps as Paul. How many laps does Carrie run? So if we're starting with Paul, who ran 2, and then Carrie runs 6 times as many as Paul, that means 2 times 6, which again, you can count by 2s 6 times. You could draw a picture. You can just automatically know your multiplication fact. But we know that 2 times 6 is going to be 12, so Carrie runs 12 laps. That's what the rest of these are. They're just very simple multiplication word problems. And number 9 does ask you to write and solve a word problem for this equation, 5 times 6, so you can be creative and make up your own. As far as that's it for the day from me. Since this is a really pretty simple review, I'm not going to make a how-to video, but as we go on, we're going to have even more review from the beginning of the year, and I know that's been quite some time. So we being Miss Sullivan and I are going to create some YouTube videos that are kind of walking you through the steps and just a quick review of how to solve some of those problems from earlier on in the year. Keep checking back. Obviously, this is not as well done as some of your favorite YouTubers, but I hope that you do appreciate this a little bit. Other than that, have a great day. Be good to your families. Read every day. Make sure you're still washing your hands, and just keep thinking positively, because we're all in this together. We're all at home. We are all staying safe the best that we can. So just keep that up. Anyway, have a great day, Room 11.